Hello, my name is Robert, and this is a demonstration video for my project submission into the Chainlink Hackathon Fall 2022. So my project is titled RAAS, that is Random as a Service, and this is the architecture. So we have a user, we have the main API, we have a smart contract deployed on the Polygon blockchain, and right here we have Chainlink services. I'm utilizing a VRF2 automation and connect any API. There's also another part, an independent part, which is a verification DApp, which only reads from the smart contract direct and is accessible by the user. So how does it work? So a user requests random words or a random number from the main API. The main API relays the request to the smart contract. Then the smart contract is able to request via the VRF coordinator. So after this request, the user receives a response with a request ID. VRF fulfills the random words request. Then the automation comes into play. So the automation checks if the random words have been fulfilled. And when they are, it calls perform upkeep. So when perform upkeep is called, we're able to now make use of the random words received. Then the smart contract interacts with connect any API. So this is to alert the main API. So connect any API calls main API, which is able to retrieve the random words from the smart contract. Then the main API sends a webhook to the user. The verification app is independent. It's able to read and it's able to react to the events, and it can be used by the user who requested or users who are affected by the result. So these are the technologies used. I'm using Chainlink VRF2, automation, connecting API, Polygon, Solidity, Fast API, Quasar framework, data, Web3 Pi, and Ethers JS. Let me take you to the next part. This is the main API. It is deployed on this URL, that is raas.dev. Here we have the demo API, which we'll be using to receive the webhooks. And here we have the DApp, which will be displaying the contents of the smart contract. So I'll take you to the next phase, which is demonstration. So from the main, we are going to create a user. So we are going to create a user. We are going to authorize using our new user. You can also use demo user with the username demo and password demo. So I'm going to request for one random word and the callback URL. When we are ready, we execute. So right now the main API is connecting to the blockchain and we receive a request ID. And this is what we receive. This is our request ID and this is the random number that we received. And for this time around, we are going to request for 3 random words. So I'm requesting and my request has been accepted. This is the request ID. So we wait and see if it will be updated on the front end. And it's here, it's completed. It's completed. So we can check and confirm the request ID is still the same as we got here, and we have 3 random numbers. So that's how I've managed to abstract Chainlink services and offer them as a simple REST API. Thank you.